Hey, Anthony Nitz here. Hey, a lot of people come to me and say, how do I put an ad on Craigslist and have it be the same ad but do it repeatedly? And I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. First of all, this is not a class on graphic design. If you need to make an image, then figure out how to do it using your graphics program, or get the 12-year-old in your household to do it, because they'll be able to do it in about 30 seconds. So what I do is, first of all, I will create the graphic that I want to use. In this case, I'm using something that my wife wants or does with her Mary Kay stuff. And so this is an image that she created. And it's just a picture, but what we've done is we've uploaded it to PhotoBucket. Okay, and so what happens on PhotoBucket, when you upload the image on PhotoBucket, what it will do is it will give you links over here. So you can see it as email, direct link, HTML code, image code, share to, and all this stuff. Well, what I want to do is I want to grab the HTML code. So when I click on that, I'll do it again. You see it says copied. So it copied that link. Okay. Then I'm going to go to Craigslist, and I'm going to log into my account. So I'll say postal classifieds, and I think this one here will say, service offered. I don't know. Beauty services. That's good. And I have a Craigslist account, so let me log in. And free makeover. Free makeover. Orange County. So now, remember I copied that code, and so if I paste this code in here, you see, oh boy, it's pretty ugly. But there's something I need to do to this code. And I want you to see something. If you look at this, you don't have to be a programmer, but just kind of get this. In the beginning it says reference, and it has a URL right here, this big whole long thing here. That is where the image will take you if you click on the image in Craigslist. So this is where it will land. Over here it says image source. When you click on image, or if you look at it, it's telling in HTML code where to find the picture that it's going to display in Craigslist. So what we want to do is we want to replace this link with the link that we want people to go to. Okay, so just to be clear, when somebody clicks on the picture that I showed you, this picture here in Craigslist, if they click on it, what will happen, because it's PhotoBucket, blah blah blah, it will take them straight back to this page. We don't want that. We want them to go to this page. So I copy the URL, I go back into Craigslist, and I replace this URL right here all the way over to the quote. So in between the quotes have to be there. And then I just paste it in. Okay, so that's the page that it will go to. And so then I can type in additional text and anything that I want to type. If so here, I'll put in here okay, and then I just come down here to continue, and so this is my Craigslist ad right here. Okay, it's giving me the display, and while it's waiting to be posted, it needs me to confirm the ad. If I hover over this, let me move this down just a little bit. If I hover over the picture, if you look at the bottom of the screen, the URL that's being displayed is where it's going to take me if I click on that. So let me confirm the ad. Yep, that's good. Let me continue it. Continue. Thanks for posting us. We really appreciate it. Okay, it's been emailed to us. So now what I want to do is I want to go into my account here because I want to see the ad. So here's beauty services. I'm going to go here. I'm looking at the ad. This is what the ad will look like in here. But just to show you, if I click on this, it opens up a new window, takes them exactly to where I wanted to go. So now here's the big catch. When you're posting in Craigslist, then what I want to do is, if I'm using that same code where I told it to go, if I go in here and I just say edit this posting and I copy that code, okay, all of it right to that end, just copy that, and I'm going to save it. I'm not going to make any changes, so I'll just go back. But I want to add another post, so go back to Orange County Craigslist. Now I'm going to post to classifieds again. I'm going to do the same thing. Services offered, beauty services. Now if I just go here and I post that thing again, and I go in here and I do a different title, and it says look your best this Christmas, right? The ad is the same. Orange County. Hit continue. Notice it does not give me any warnings that say this is a duplicate ad. But the ad, in fact, is the same ad. So I hit continue. We'll put in the little code here, GRA. Thanks for posting with us. No warnings, no error messages saying that my ad is a duplicate ad. So this is one way that you could create an ad and do it. The key thing is using the same image, but you have to change the titles. So hopefully that helped, and we will talk to you real soon. Take care.